Hello YouTube, I'm just going to report a problem that I thought I saw. When you're trying to hide your emitters, I was having this issue where you couldn't turn them off and with Eevee, but then I realized and was going through some videos and just messing with the settings, I found that you can just straight off turn it off because they changed the setup. You just go to extra and mess this up. Now let's check and see again. There we go. And that should be fixed now. Now you'll be seeing two videos up on screen comparing what happened from before and what after. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe.